having a big lunch before the big tattoo session. It's gonna be like 6 to 8 hours, so yeah, probably gonna be hungry, so yeah. Big meal. This biryani actually cost me $12, so yeah, let's see how good that is. At a food court, so it's quite pricey. Mutton is really nice. The curry is too coconutty for my liking, but yeah, it's not bad. Good mutton. Super full now. Definitely didn't finish that biryani. It was nice, but yeah, I just can't eat in the morning or the moment I woke up. Maybe like have like a high blood insulin. I don't know. But anyway, late for my appointment, so have to grab there. But yeah, I should be on time. Got drive for how long already?
20 years already.
20 years! Oh my god. Wow. Nice. This is my tattoo number 7, and I think it's gonna be one of the bigger pieces that I've ever had on my shoulder. So yeah, excited about it. I came back to the same artist that I've been going to for the past, I don't know, two tattoos. I think I had my first tattoo with him, which was on the ribs, and it was super painful, but it was a good experience. And yeah, going for my number 7 today. Just got the printed out, the stencil on my shoulder. Looks pretty big. I'm excited actually. It's been a while since I got my last tattoo. I think it was about 7 months, 8 months. So I got these small little tattoos back in Yangon, and they were pretty cheap. I think this one was like, I don't know, $1, $2. It's crazy, I know, but I think getting a tattoo in Singapore is relatively expensive. I think it will run you from like $500 to $1,000 for a big piece like this. So yeah, there's a lot of price difference, but I think at the end of the day, you know, if you're comfortable paying and if you're comfortable with what goes on your body, okay with the artist, I think that's all it matters. So yeah, I'm gonna get it anyway. People would just say that, you know, I could just wait till I get back to Myanmar. They have great artists as well, and you know, like this, $2 is pretty crazy. And yeah, for a big piece, I think at most $50, right? But yeah, like I said, it's about time, and yeah, I'm just feeling it. Alright, this looks huge, by the way. Anyway, I think you guys already know what this is. It's like it's gonna be a snake. I'll tell you guys the meaning later on. So for me, every piece of tattoo that I have has a meaning, in it, and yeah, I just don't want to put some random stuff on my body. I know it's fun, you know, just to put up a tiger or like a dragon or something like that. It looks cool, but for me, I think I want to have some meaning and some meaningful tattoo and something that is nice on my body. So yeah, every piece has its own story, and I think they are pretty interesting, and that's one of the reasons why I love to put tattoo on my body. I'll tell you guys the meaning of this tattoo later on in this vlog. Halfway through the session, I just need to go to the toilet. It's not bad. It's really painful. But yeah, I think 2 to 3 more hours to go. Let's go. Getting destroyed. Oh man, it stings. So the first half of the snake, which he did like this half, I couldn't feel anything. I mean, obviously there's a little bit of pain. I mean, it's tattoo, right? But the last part, the one like here, the tricep, the shoulder, back shoulder, oh my god. Every time he touches me, I'm like screaming. So painful. Wow. But it's all done now. I'm just gonna wait out until it bleeds out for like the next 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and then yeah, we're gonna take some photos, take some B-roll of the snake, and then yeah, that's it for today. A good 5 hour, I think 6 hour, well spent. Non-stop bleeding. Alright, it's done. Oh my god. Finally, a good 6 hours. So the first half of the tattoo, which was this half, the front half, was not painful. I mean, it's tattoo, needles. Of course, it's a little bit, painful, but it's for me, it's just like, okay, it's alright, bearable pain. But then the last part, especially at the back here, it was hell, man. Every time he put a needle on my skin, I'm like screaming. It was so painful. And then he went through the whites, and it was, oh my god. Anyway, it's pretty much, it's done. And we're gonna wait out for the next 10 to 15 minutes, let it bleed out, and then clean up, and then take some photos and videos and B-rolls, and that's pretty much it. I think overall, it's pretty nice. And then yeah, I'll share the story with you guys later on about this tattoo. Alright, for my dinner, I'm here at that coffee place near my house, Sengkang. Anyway, this place is like super overstuffed, and the service here is pretty good, and all the ladies, all the aunties here are very friendly. I've never, tried it here, so I'm gonna give it a try. It's near my house. It's a Chinese traditional zhicha place where you can order a bunch of different Chinese dishes, and this is one of my favorite, curry turo fan. Wow, it's good. Wow. Okay, I'm definitely gonna eat here more often. It's good. And the prices are pretty cheap for this whole plate. It's only $6.30. Much, much better than the biryani I had this afternoon. But I have to say, this iced lemon tea is just iced tea. There's no, there's lemon in it, but I can't taste any sourness. But the food though, super, super good. This is amazing, man. One of the best curry turo fan that I've ever had. Wow. Generous amount of meat, generous amount of curry, a lot of onion, chili. The sambar chili is good as well. Damn. Alright, good morning guys. So I got completely knocked out last night after dinner. I don't know, my whole body's aching. I don't know what happened. I didn't work out or go to the gym or anything. I just went for a tattoo session and I'm knocked out. Anyway, about this tattoo, about the story of this tattoo. So as a kid, I love snakes, right? They're one of my favorite animals out there. And yeah, at the same time, I love them and I'm scared of them as well. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. I think they are one of the amazing, animal. They have different variety of snakes, and they are all beautiful to me. So yeah, and then another story is in my family, both me and my dad got bitten by snakes. I don't know if mine was poisonous or not, but my dad, he got bitten by cobra actually in the forest. And as a kid, somehow he survived. And yeah, that's just one of the story. I got bitten by a snake in Sentosa, Singapore, and it was quite crazy. I'll link up a vlog here. It was quite long ago, but yeah, there's just a lot of stories. And there was one time a snake came to my house, and then there was a big fortune for my family and stuff like that. So yeah, snakes are quite meaningful to my life. And this snake pattern is not just random one. It's a Burmese python, which is native to my country. And yeah, I just have to get it. So yeah, all the stories adds up to it, and I wanted to get a big piece on my shoulder. So yeah, nothing other than snakes would be perfect for me, in terms of the stories, in terms of the shape of my doubts, in terms of the tattoo that I choose. So yeah, that is it guys. I think I just make it short and sweet for you guys, because I don't want to drag too long for this outro as well. Plus, I'm actually late for work. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys. Honestly, it's looking really, really good. Let's see. Okay, this is bad. So while making this video, I realized, I think I'm starting to have that beer belly, which is not ideal. So yeah, I need to do something about it.